not been decided yet. Well, in our first part of our investigation, Doppler down, Local 12's Dwayne Pullman exposed how a lightning strike caused the Doppler radar at the National Weather Service in Wilmington to stop working nearly 24 times this year.
And while the problem is now fixed, the radar still relies on technology that's 20 years old. Tonight, Local 12 meteorologist Scott Dimick asks whether it's time to invest in new technology that can track storms more accurately.
There's a lot of people in the Cincinnati, Dayton, Columbus area that are depending on us. I can't let those people down, and I don't believe in excuses.
After weeks of costly repairs and radar outages, it appears issues with the National Weather Service in Wilmington's radar have been resolved, but the outages raise questions about this aging technology.
The old radar has what would be like a large satellite dish up in this radome, and that satellite dish is spinning around 360 degrees many times a minute. It does one complete volume scan of the entire atmosphere every 4 to 6 minutes.
While the old system does warn us, there is a new and better way to track storms, a new technology the U.S. Navy developed, Phased Array Radar.
Scott, it's amazing. There's no moving parts in this thing. Our other radar's dancing and moving all over the place. The phase array has no moving parts.
Here's how it works. A series of screens inside the dome send out signals at different frequencies and in different directions at the same time.
What takes this radar 4 to 6 minutes to do, that phase array can do in less than a minute.
It also has the ability to target specific storms or areas of potentially dangerous weather.
Let's say you're the severe thunderstorm. The electronics will just gear in on you and give me a continuous loop of how you're growing and changing with time. This will significantly have the potential to increase tornado lead times.
Phased Array Radar isn't just a storm tracking tool. It's a high-tech piece of equipment which can be used by several government agencies.
The FAA can use it to track their airplanes. They won't need their own radars. The military can do it to track the non-commercial flights.
It is a much better radar, but there's a problem. The government has no plans to deploy a phased array radar network anytime soon, and instead will upgrade the current network.
This upgrade is a major technology advancement. It's going to delete the obsolete technology of the signal processor.
This and other upgrades will mean the radar in Wilmington will be going down again in the next month and 3 other times in the next 5 years. Would you rather have your current radar with upgrades, or would you rather have a phased array?
There's no doubt I'd rather have the new technology that can help me protect life and properties and give me significant tornado lead times. But that choice is not mine.
While phased array radar will eventually come, the old radar, with upgrades, will remain the eye of the National Weather Service for at least the next 2 decades.
Congress has provided us with a great radar and a way to kind of get that thing even more modernized through the 2030s, and I certainly accept that. But the new technology is awfully enticing.
Because a phased array radar network would require millions in congressional funding, we're reaching out to Ohio Senators Sherrod Brown and Rob Portman to ask if they would be willing